Hey guys, I hope you're doing well today. I took a little break from jewelry and took my daughter to go see my parents today. It was such a nice day. I decided to get out of the house, get my daughter out of the house, get some fresh air. My parents have a river camp about 30 minutes away from where I live. And so it's always fun to escape and see some beautiful views, some beautiful animals, just some wildlife, getting out and enjoying what God has put on this earth. So I plan on getting my workbench all cleaned off and organized. I always feel so much better when I do some decluttering. I have so much stuff on my workbench. It's a headache. It's a hassle to work around. So I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of polishing on my tools. Just kind of getting things prepped because I ordered a workbench. When I say workbench, I ordered like a jeweler's workbench, and that's exciting for me because I've been standing up and doing a lot of my work that way, and at least this jeweler's bench will allow me to sit down and work and just allow me to just do so many things. So I've got my tools out, and I'm gonna be cleaning and showing you guys in the meantime what I use to create my work, little things that are very useful and very handy for me, and things that I just buy at my local hardware store. So yeah, here's all these tools, and if you have any questions on anything that you see, let me know and I'll be glad to fill you in. Enjoy! So I buy my tools at the hardware store. I got a hammer, ballpoint hammer, and a flat end. I've got my scissors. Those are junk, but I still use them. I've got a little paint stick just to hold my pieces. I've got my file, my larger file. Gotta have that for my little holder vise pliers, my hammers. So I've got my caliper, my bezel pusher. Those two are very handy. The caliper, I have a few other sets, but the batteries ran dead. So this one is very handy, has been very handy at least. Protractor, very handy for angles, circles, especially for my cuts. I've got this conductive graphite paint for my electro plating. I've got my nail polish for coating stones. That's very handy for setting things. I don't really like that brand, but I think it was just in my drawer. This is the brand that I like, Loctite. Perfect. It's my favorite brand. My husband recommended it, and I love it so much. I highly recommend it too. You need paper, you need graphing paper, especially for just creating things. It's just so much easier on measuring, just on drawing, sketching, but especially measuring and cutting out your pieces. And I've got my patina. My patina and all that's in my drawer. I have a specific drawer for all that. Like I said, I love decluttering. My glue, my other glue, I use that for smaller stones. All my tools for my electric, my tools, my power tools. My goggles are all in there. That's for when I torch and melt things. Gotta have that. Sensitive toothpaste. So I have all my Dremel tools, my cutting saw blade. I've got all my bits all in one drawer. My polishing what solutions, diamond grade. My metal drawer, my shears, pliers. So yeah, I'm just kind of decluttering and seeing what I have. And there's my still messy bench. It's ridiculous. I have stuff everywhere. Sharpies are really good for marking on your metal. You cannot go without Sharpies when you're working with metal. So yeah, that was a way cuter jar. There's my stainless steel block you have to have. You must have a block. Still messy, but it'll do. Looking better. That's my Dremel stand, holder, Dremel bit. My Lux bar. Universal, I believe, is what the buffing brick is. My pickle, yes, my pickle. Your stones, gotta have your stones. I prefer. They are by Impress Art. They're just regular numbers, letters. I really like Jack's Silver Blackener. It requires no heat, when you can put heat, but it requires no heat. It's super simple. I use it two ways. So I either use a paintbrush for more precision, or I take a little container and I put a little bit on the, and then I just dunk the whole piece. So another must that I have to have is my anvil / vise. I have to have it. Every jeweler has to have it. It's amazing. And this one I got at a farm supply store called Rural King.